guys, Jake here, and today I'm going to be showing you this Pop Voice microphone, which goes for $10 over on Amazon. The link will be down in the description. Alright, so first we are going to unbox it. So I'm going to take out my knife, and now we can go like this. This is not even, I don't even need a knife for this. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, when we open it, it comes in this little pouch, as you can see right here. So now if we open it, we can throw the box off to the side. And now it comes with an instruction manual with some guy on it. This just tells you how to do it with an iPhone. So this is it with an older iPhone with a headphone jack, and this is one without a headphone jack. And so you will need the little lightning to 3.5 millimeter adapter. This just tells you a little bit about the product, and you can change the tips to different colors. So we can just throw this aside for now. And so then inside we have this microphone. Comes with it. It has a nice Velcro strap that goes around it to keep it all tidy. And then also in the bag is 3 windscreens. 1 orange, 1 red, and an extra black one, as well as an adapter. I'm just going to keep the black tip on it for now, and we will do a comparison to see what it's like using an iPhone 11 Pro audio and this microphone's audio. Alright, so as you can see, I have clipped the mic to my shirt, and it is running into a phone. So this is the audio with the microphone, and it's pretty loud, so you want to keep it down a little bit, so that's why I keep it in my shirt. And without the microphone, this is what it will sound like. So this is the audio without the microphone. Once again, this audio on the phone is coming from an iPhone 11 Pro, and this audio is coming from the Pop Voice $10 microphone on Amazon. Okay guys, that just about wraps up this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one.